How to use social media marketing to grow your business. Introduction: social media is a great marketing tool for businesses, but it can be tricky to get started. This section of the course will cover how to use social media and what are some of the most important social media marketing tips. What is social media marketing? Social media is a form of marketing that uses social networking sites to market products and services. Social media marketing, also known as SMM, promotes brands, products, or organizations using social networking sites. Social media has become a powerful tool for marketers because it allows them to reach many people with minimal effort. The idea is not to directly advertise, but to create engaging posts that encourage users to interact with the content and share it with their friends. Social media strategy for marketing your business. Social media marketing is a powerful way to reach your audience and create a brand identity. Social media is the most popular and most potent form of marketing today. It's a great way to connect with your customers and make them feel like part of the company. It's also a great way to build up a following before launching new products or services. Benefits of social media marketing. Social media marketing is an excellent way for small businesses to reach out to their customers and grow their customer base. Social media marketing is more effective than traditional advertising. It is an effective way of reaching people interested in your product or service. The benefits of social media marketing include: it is inexpensive, it reaches a large number of people, it has the potential to generate leads, it can be used as a tool for customer service. Humanize your business. Be close with your customers. Creating a human relationship. Marketing is about generating leads and making connections. Social media marketing is a platform where you can interact with people who are your customers and make them feel like they are your friends. Drive traffic. Create traffic using your social media audience. Social media is a great way to drive traffic to your website. You can create traffic by making use of your social media audience. Generate leads and customers. Many social media marketing campaigns are being developed and deployed to help generate leads and customers. This article will focus on some examples of how businesses can improve sales by using social media marketing. Increase brand awareness. Social media marketing is our first line of defense against brand awareness for many of us. It's a way to connect with our customers and prospects and share the latest news about what we do, our products, and our services. Ways to use social media for marketing success. Social media has changed the way people do business and marketing. This section will discuss how social media can be used for marketing success. We will first look at how to use Twitter for business and marketing. We will then look at how to use Facebook ads for marketing success. Finally, we will look at a strategy that can be used on both Facebook and Twitter to increase the effectiveness of your social media campaigns. Social media has changed how businesses use marketing strategies to reach their target audiences. In this section, we will discuss how social media can be used for marketing success. By looking at how to use Twitter for business and marketing, how to use Facebook ads for successful campaigns, and a strategy that can be used on both Facebook and Twitter. Programs that can help you utilize social data for your marketing strategy. Several programs on the market can help you utilize social data for your marketing strategy. The best thing about these programs is that they don't require any expertise. You just need to set up the program, and it will be able to analyze the data for you, giving you valuable insights into what your customers are doing online and what they want from your company. Social media platforms are one of the most important demographics for marketers today. That is why marketers must understand how social media works, who their customers are on these platforms, and what they want from their brands. This article will give you an overview of some of the top social media analytics tools available today, so you can decide which one might work. Conclusion: we can conclude that a content marketing strategy with ads is the best way to monetize content online. The introduction section explains what content marketing strategy is and how it can help a company reach its goals. The next few sections talk about the different ways a company can monetize its content and what are the pros and cons of each option. The last section talks about how we reached our conclusion. A content marketing strategy with ads is the best way to monetize content online.